Good morning and welcome back to Amy's Kitchen. And today, guys, we are going to make a wonderful breakfast this morning. And we're going to start off with hash brown casseroles. So follow along with me as we complete this project together. Here in this bowl, I'm going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. 1 can of cream of chicken. Now, if we need another can, we'll figure it out along the way. But right now, we're just going to do this 1 can. And also, we have 16 ounces of sour cream. I'm going to mix those together. And I think we might need another can. So that's what we'll do. We'll open up another can and put it in there with that. We're going to add to this also 8 ounces of mild cheddar cheese. Just add the whole thing, guys. Now at this point, you can add whatever seasonings that you would like in your casserole. So I'm gonna add black pepper, I'm gonna also add garlic powder. And we're not gonna add any salt, guys, because you know cheese is salty. Now you can use whatever kind of hash browns that you would like, but I like the ones with the onions and peppers and the ones that are in cubes. So you unthaw them and add them. So right now this is 1 bag, but I haven't put the whole bag in yet. Just gonna get this mixed in here. Yeah, this is the consistency that we want. Now guys, you can put as much as you would like of seasoning. I'm gonna add a little more black pepper, and then I'm done with that. Because like I said, I already have my bell pepper, I already have my onion in there. I'm gonna add a little melted butter in there. It's probably a half a stick. Okay, and now we're gonna put it in our dish here. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I have my oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay? Until it gets the desired color that you will like. So that's what I'm gonna do. Place it in the oven now. And we'll be back. I think now, this right here is more like it. Seasoned. A little bit more slap your mama. I mean, you can't go wrong with slap your mama. Okay guys, now we're going to put this in the oven. 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Now we will be back. Okay guys, and it has been 45 minutes. So let's see. I am so happy I added that other seasoning to it. God, this is really good, I'm telling you. This is really good. This can be made not only for breakfast, it can be made for brunch, it can be made for dinner as well. It all depends on you and what you want to do with your hash brown casserole. A lot of people use it for holiday mornings. It doesn't matter. Sunday morning, it doesn't matter. These are your hash brown casseroles. And guess what? They are so delicious. So please follow this recipe the way that I have provided it for you. And you will not go wrong. You will not be disappointed. I would like for you all to have peace and have a nice day.